How to prepare delicious kingfish curry. The ingredients required for making kingfish curry: around 1 kg kingfish. Cut the fish into thin slices and keep it aside. 3 to 4 medium piece Kerala tamarind or kodampuli. Soak the tamarind 2 to 3 minutes in the water, then squeeze shallots, garlic, ginger, and the green chilli. Cut it lengthwise. This is a very spicy chilli. Curry leaves 2 to 3 sprigs. You can add more or less. I love to add more. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon red chilli powder. Spicy one. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmir chilli powder. Salt to taste. 1 1/4 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Half teaspoon fenugreek seeds. 1 pinch fenugreek powder. Cut this lengthwise. Now half grated coconut. Sprinkle some water and remove the extract. First extract. Again add some more water and remove the extract. That is the second extract of the coconut. Keep it aside. Pour 1 tablespoon coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add the mustard seed. When it splutters, add the fenugreek seeds. When it turns golden brown, add the garlic, ginger, carrots, the green chilli, and the curry pepper. Now stir it. When it turns slightly brown, add the Kashmir chilli, dhania powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, spicy. Now stir it for 1 minute. Now turn it off. Now in an earthen pot, add the fried masala and add the second coconut milk, Kerala tamarind, required salt. Add enough water to cook the fish. When the gravy boils, put the fish and let it cook for 5 minutes in slow fire. Now the gravy already thick. Stir the pot this way. Don't stir with the spoon. Now you can add the first coconut extract and let it boil for 2 minutes. Now the final stage. Now add 1/4 tablespoon coconut oil on top of this gravy. Then add the curry leaves and then the fenugreek powder on top of this gravy and switch it off. This is a very delicious curry. Now your kingfish surumai or neimeen, it is ready. You can eat with rice, chapati, appam. It is a very tasty dish. Please try it.
What is love? Baby, do
Again,
not mean
stir.